Hi everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, let us learn how to multiply and divide integers. Let us now learn how to multiply integers. Multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. Here is the rule for it. While multiplying a positive integer and a negative integer, we multiply them as all numbers and put a negative sign before the product. We can write it as for any two integers a and b, a into minus b equal to minus a into b equal to minus a into b. If the integers are of different sign, its product will be negative. Look these examples. Negative 4 into 5. Here given integers are of different sign, so sign of the product is negative. And 4 into 5 is 20, so answer minus 20. Second example, 9 into minus 3. Here also integers are of different sign, so its product is negative. 9 into 3 is 27, so answer is minus 27. Next we will see multiplication of two negative integers. The product of two negative integers is a positive integer. We multiply two negative integers as all numbers and put the positive sign before the product. We can write it as for any two integers a and b, we have negative a into negative b equal to positive a into b. We can simply say that negative into negative equal to positive. Consider these examples. Negative 6 into negative 10. Product of two negative integers, its sign will be positive and 6 into 10 is 60. So answer is positive 60. In the next example, negative 8 into negative 2. Again the product of two negative integers, sign of its product will be positive. 8 into 2 is 16. So answer is positive 16. Next we will discuss product of 3 or more negative integers. If the number of negative integers in a product is even, the product is a positive integer. If the number of negative integers in a product is odd, then the product is a negative integer. Consider this example. What is the sign of the product? Negative 8 into negative 4 into 6 into negative 9 into negative 10. Here you can see that there are 4 negative integers, so sign of product will be positive since 4 is even and there are even number of negative integers in this product. So sign of product is positive. Second example, what will be the sign of the product if we multiply together 7 negative integers and 4 positive integers? 7 negative integers means odd number of negative integers, so product will be negative, so sign of product is negative. Third example, 6 times negative 1, that is negative 1 multiplied by itself 6 times, since 6 is even and sign of product will be positive, and 1 multiplied by itself 6 times is 1, so answer is positive 1. Now we will go through the division of integers. We know that division is the inverse operation of multiplication. When we divide a negative integer by a positive integer, we divide them as all numbers and put a minus sign before the quotient. And when we divide a positive integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as all numbers and then put a minus sign before the quotient. That is for any two integers a and b, a divided by minus b equal to minus a divided by b equal to minus a divided by b. Consider these examples. 45 divided by minus 5. Here positive divided by negative. Then what will be the sign of quotient? It will be negative. And 45 divided by 5 is 9. So answer is minus 9. Next example, minus 32 divided by 8. Here also negative divided by positive. Sign of quotient will be negative. And 32 divided by 8 is 4. So answer minus 4. Let us now see what happens when both the dividend and divisor are negative integers. When we divide a negative integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as whole numbers and put a positive sign. That is for any two integers a and b. Negative a divided by negative b equal to positive a divided by b. That is negative divided by negative will be positive. Consider these examples. Minus 36 divided by minus 4. Negative divided by negative. So sign of quotient is positive. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So answer is positive 9. Another example, minus 50 divided by minus 10. Here also negative divided by negative. Sign of quotient will be positive. 50 divided by 10 equal to 5. So answer is positive 5. Let us now try to do these questions. Answer the following. First question, minus 15 into minus 7 minus minus 1. You can see a bracket here. So we have to do the bracket first. Within the bracket there is subtraction. So add additive inverse. So we get minus 7 plus 1, and that is minus 6, and minus 15 into minus 6, product of two negative integers. Sign of product will be positive, and 15 into 6 is 90. So answer is positive 90. Second example, negative 1 into negative 25 into 4 into negative 6. Here you can see 3 negative integers in this product. That is odd number of negative integers in this product. So the sign of product will be negative. And 25 into 4 is 100. 100 into 6 is 600. So answer minus 600. Question number 3, minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. In this product there is a 0. We know that if we multiply a number by 0, we get the product as 0. So the answer is 0. Question number 4, minus 49 divided by 49. Here negative divided by positive. Sign of quotient will be negative, and 49 divided by 49 is 1. So answer is negative 1. Question number 5, negative 31 divided by negative 30 plus negative 1. We can see a bracket here. Within the bracket, negative 30 plus negative 1, which is negative 31, and negative divided by negative, which is positive, and 31 divided by 31 is 1. So answer is positive 1. 6, negative 12 minus minus 2 divided by 2. Here also one bracket, and within the bracket there is subtraction. Add additive inverse. Minus 12 plus 2, which is minus 10, and divided by 2. Negative divided by positive, that will be negative, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So answer is negative 5. And here is a summary for you. This is for multiplication and this for division. Now try to do this assignment and check the answers with the link given in the description. We will meet again in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you.